Hello everyone, welcome to part 192 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on product reviews and rating for our Laravel e-commerce website. So in this video we will start working on the front end. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we able to show all the ratings and reviews at the admin panel, and now we are going to create the rating and reviews in the detail page of the product. Okay, so let's open the detail page here, casual t-shirt, and here we can open the detail page. So we are going to add the write a review tab here. Okay, right before the product video we are going to display here write a review tab, and here we are going to show that test area for adding the rating, and here we are going to display the ratings as well. Okay, so let's start. But first of all we are going to search for some good star rating script. Okay, so we will search in Google for some. There are many scripts are available, so we are going to copy one of these script. We are not going to create everything from scratch. Okay, so there are many scripts, star rating codes are available online, so we need to take benefit for those. Okay, so let's search for star rating code. Here you can search in Google and you will get many. I have seen some of them and this one seems to be perfect for me. Okay, so we are going to open this website, and here you can see it seems to be perfect. Okay, so you can select like this, so it seems to be perfect, so we can add this star rating in our website. So first of all we will create here, we are going to close all earlier files that we worked in last time. So now we are going to, first of all we are going to create the controller file at the front, like we have created at the admin side last time. Now we want to create at the front side. Okay, so let's create, I'm going to create one PHP artisan make controller. See, last time we have created under admin, and now we are going to create under front ratings controller. Okay, so that we can create our required functions or something here. Ratings controller. Okay, sorry, not this one, another one, ratings controller, this one at the front end. Okay, for adding the rating that the user will add. So we are going to update the detail blade file. So we will open the detail blade file here, and like we have done for the product video last time, few videos back you have seen, we have added one more tab. Okay, so now we are going to add one more tab here. We can search for the video. Okay, so here it is. So we will add one more here for the product review and rating. Here we are going to give like this product, we will give here product review and rating. Okay, and like we are going to search video once again, and in the same way like we have done for this one, so we are going to add this one for the rating as well. Here we are going to replace it with review because we have given their review. We will add rating will come soon, so let's test it. First of all, it's working fine, tab is working fine, let's check it, tab is working fine or not. See product rating and reviews and ratings. So once you will click, rating will come soon. Okay, so here like in Amazon you can see rating is good enough, you can go in any of the category. Mobile, we can open the mobile. um, like this, here we can open. Okay, so here you can see, once you will click this one, then they have given top reviews, they have given the customer reviews. Okay, so you can also give something like this. product reviews are enough. So so we can just give the product reviews here. Okay, this one seems to be fine. Or one more thing we can do, we can add here write a review or something like this. Okay, that also seems to be fine. Okay, but we can also add product reviews. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Okay, so here we are going to add write a review first of all. Okay, so here I'm going to take it review. We are going to add the form here, but before that we are going to, and one more thing we are going to do, we want to display the form on one side and want to display the reviews on the another side, and for that we need to divide this section, and we can open the contact form here. Sorry, contact. Okay, so here like we have developed the contact page. Here you can see the two sides are there, one and second. So here like this, we are going to add the form, write a review form, and here we are going to display the ratings. So we are going to have this design is good enough for us. Okay, so I'm going to copy from contact.blade.php file, and I am going to copy this design is good enough for us. Okay, see div class row, I am going to have this one div class row. Okay, so inside this row there is div class span. Okay, that we are going to add div class span, and one more we are going to add here, and inside this here we are going to add something like add a rating, write a review. Okay, write a review. Okay, and here we are going to give something like your product reviews. Okay, we can give your user reviews. Okay, user reviews is fine. Reviews. Okay, users reviews. Okay, and sorry, now see, write a review and user reviews. Okay, so this one is fine now. So inside write a review we are going to have one form now for adding the reviews. Okay, and like we have earlier also, we are having the forms. Okay, and here we will give form method, we are going to give post, and action we are going to create one route like we will create add rating. Okay, add rating, or we can create add review, one and the same thing. So here we can give the name and id of the form as well. If in case we want to add some kind of validation, then it is required, but I don't think that we required much validation. Only required is because as the admin is going to approve the ratings. Okay, form okay, so we can give like rating form is better, rating form. Okay, form. Okay, so the that is fine. At the rate of csrf. Okay, token is required, always required token. Now here one thing we need to pass, here we need to pass the product id as hidden inside the form, so that we can add the product id in the ratings table. Okay, so here we are going to add product id, value will be here will come like that dollar product details, product id we need to add here product details, then id of the product. Okay, like this. So now after that we want to add that rating, this one. Okay, so this one we are going to copy from here up till div. We are going to add this one here. Okay, after this one. Okay, so we can simply add it, sorry, like this. Okay, and after that we are going to add the add that review. Okay, review test area. Okay, so we are going to add one div here once again, and here we will give the class like we have earlier also given, form group class, and in that form group class we will give one label for adding the test your review, and after that we will add one test area where the user can review. We will give the name like review, and the style we can give something like width we can give here 300 pixel width. Okay, and height we can give something like 50 pixel height is enough. And one last thing we need to add here, we will add first of all one blank div we can add here, and nbsp, and after that we are going to add one more form group here. Okay, uh, form group class form group, and inside this one we are going to add submit button, input type submit, name we're going to add like submit. Okay, so now check the form, and we are going to refresh page, product reviews. Okay, so it is not coming in proper format because still we need to add the css. Here you can see the css is here, so we want to add the css first of all. So we are going to copy the css and we can add it manually in style. We can add here, or you can see that css we can add in some other css file as well. Okay, check once all these css. Okay, uh, okay, so we can check once where we can add. So we can add here for the time being. See, you can add this css, create one css file and add this css there. It's always better. I am for just for learning purpose I am adding here itself. Okay, but you can add it properly in css file. Okay, so this one we can move, and now we are going to check here. So let's refresh now product reviews, and now you can see now it looks fine, it's look better. Okay, you can see, you can now click here. Okay, so now it looks fine. Okay, so this one is fine now, and okay, so your review we need to bring it down. Where it is, here it is. So we will add one div here like this. It's still not coming. See, I'm not so good in css. Okay, so you can do this at your end. I will add some other class here, div class control group. here we will also add the required as the test area is required. Okay, and rest of the things seems to be fine. Okay, so let's refresh now. Still it is not coming correctly. Okay, so we are going to check this form, this class we can put, and then we are going to check once again. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, so this is the review, and now only button needs to have some class. Button also requires some class, so we can give this class here. Let's see. So now it seems to be fine. Okay, so here a review will come, here rating will come. Okay, so once the customer will review and will add, so we need to add its route, add rating route in web.php file, and then its function. Okay, so let's quickly do that. Web.php. Okay, so here we can now close this one. So at front we can add, we will add outside the auth, because if the customer not logged in, then we can show message to the customer to log in first to review for this product. Okay, so here we can add its route, add rating review. Okay, so route post add rating, ratings controller at the rate of add rating, like this. Okay, so now we can add this function in ratings controller, this controller that we have created earlier, public function add rating. Okay, so we are going to add the function here to rate for this product. Okay, so we are going to use the request here, request $request, and here we are going to first check whether the user is logged in or not, and if in case the user is not logged in, then we are going to show the error message. Okay, so first of all we are going to do that. If like auth check is fail. Okay, this is for the fail, and then we are going to show the message to the user, login to rate this product, or login to review this product. Okay, anything you can add. After that, session flash message, we are going to flash the message. Here we will put in as error message $message. Okay, then return redirect back. So if the user, like if we will try to add the rating without doing anything, then see here add rating some 404 error has come. Add rating, we are going to check why this one, why the error is coming here. Add hyphen rating, add rating, ratings controller, and user will go here. Here I think we need to add here something is missing. Okay, we need to do one thing here. Either we need to add this get and post method both, or we need to pass this one inside is method post. Okay, so let's create first of all is method post. If dollar request is method post. Okay, like this, dollar data, dollar request, all. Echo and we can move this one inside this. So let's see now. We can go back, we can try again, still nothing is happening. Strange. Okay, so let's try. First of all we will add something to me, but still 404 error is coming. Add rating is still not working. So we need to check once why this issue is coming. Are we adding it correctly? Here we need to check once that add rating, and it's the ratings controller. Okay, so that is fine, and we have saved the page as well. So ratings controller, add rating, okay, we can do one thing here. We will convert this one to both match get post. Due to some reason it is not working, so we are going to change it to both get post. Usually not happen this thing, but now we are going to check, going to refresh. Now it is fine. Okay, so now it is working fine, and we have able to check it out. And if in case the user is not logged in, then we are going to refresh and the user will go back to that. So we need to add here use auth session. Also we need to add. Okay, now the error message is coming, login to rate this product. Okay, so user is required to log in first to rate this product, and once user is logged in, then there is another check. We are going to see whether user already added the rating for this product or not. And if the user is already added the rating for this product, then we are going to show the another message, your rating already exists for this product. This message we are going to show. Otherwise we are going to add the rating as inactive, as the admin is going to approve that rating. Okay, so uh, so there is less time, so we will continue in next video. Stay tuned for next video. We will continue working on this one where we will add rating. Okay, and after that we are going to show those ratings in here in the detail page as well. Okay, so in next video we are going to finish this one, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.